Hi, Shimmy Shaker. Welcome to day 20 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every day leading to the end of the year and bringing them together into a beautiful choreography. So if you haven't seen days 1 to 19 and you want to learn the whole choreography, please check them out. Otherwise, if you just want to learn combinations just to practice your own combinations and use them for your own improvisational choreography, then you can start wherever you like. We have a really nice, relaxed combination today, but I love it. I know you will too. So very simply, shake it out, just relax. We're keeping our hands nice and relaxed and we're walking to the corner. We've got step, 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 then we're coming into a little shoulder shimmy. So our shoulder shimmy, all we're doing is bringing one shoulder forward, then the other shoulder forward, and then shaking it out. And to get a little bit more dynamics into it, we're bending those knees down and up. So I'm not leaning my body forward, I'm just bending, 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 bending. Good. Remember with your shoulder shimmy too, if you haven't done it before, you want to keep your hands in front of your body and you want to have them a little bit lower than your shoulders. If you're up here and your hands are back, it's going to be really hard to do your shoulder shimmy. So keep them in front and a little bit down, nice and relaxed. So again, stepping to the side, step, 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 down, up, up. We're then stepping to the other side, step, 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 step. Framing our hips, little hip drop on our front hip, 4, 3, 2, 1. So with your hip drops, remember you're starting with your feet hip width apart, one foot comes a little bit in front, and you are pulling in through your core, keeping that heel up, using the knee and your core to bring your hip up and down. That's it, so just 4 nice relaxed ones, framing the hips. Good, so let's just try it from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. Shoulder up, step, 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 step. Drop, 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 drop. This kind of thing is really nice to add into your choreography because it shows that you're relaxed, you're just having fun. Because sometimes when you have a really hectic choreography going on the whole time, it's beautiful for your audience just to see you relax. And even though you're still dancing, you're still moving, just a simple walk gives a totally different energy to, like, say, doing something like this. It just shows a little bit more personality, a little bit more feeling. So you can use that one wherever you like. So from here, we've just done 4, 3, 2, 1. We're dropping our head around and then coming into 2 undulations. So if you have a bad neck, please don't do this one. Otherwise, all we're doing is dropping our head, bringing it around, and when you've got momentum, your hair doesn't stick in your face. So try both sides. I promise you one side will be easier than the other. You might have noticed I always go this way. That's just because with my neck, it feels better going that way. But if you want to go the other way, then do whatever you feel like. Then 2 undulations. So remember, chest forward, stomach forward, hips forward, and release. So 2 of those. So let's bring the combination all together, stepping this way first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. Shoulders. Step, 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 step. Hips. Head. Undulate, undulate. I said my hair wouldn't get stuck in my face, but it seemed to. Okay, let's try the other side just for practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. Shoulders. Step, 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 step. Hips. Head. Undulate, undulate. Good. So as you're doing that head as well, coming around, you're just facing the front. So from here, you're just bringing this foot, the inside foot, to the front. Let's try again, stepping this way first. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, 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 step. Shoulders. Step, 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 step. Hip. Step across with your head. Undulate, undulate. There you go, that's our little combination for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments how you're going with these combinations. And as well, if you're taking any videos of yourself doing our 30-day dance challenge, please tag me so that I can see them. I'd love to see them. You can also join our Shimmy Shakers Facebook group and share all your practice there. It's really, really lovely to see everyone practicing these moves. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow for our next combination. Bye.